Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power and grounding yourself. Do this to protect components and avoid shocks. Once unplugged, open the case and take a clear photo of the front panel header so you won't mix pins. Make sure you've got a small screwdriver and a replacement button or shorting tool at hand. These first steps save time and prevent mistakes, so don't skip the photo and discharge sequence before touching wiring or the motherboard header. Now you'll test whether the button or the board is at fault. This is the decisive middle step. Once you find the power switch pins, briefly short them with a metal screwdriver. Just touch the two pins together to mimic a button press. If the system powers up, that proves the motherboard and PSU respond correctly and points to a broken switch or cable. If nothing happens, make sure to retry after reconnecting the 24-pin and 8-pin power leads. If shorting worked, replace the defective switch or run a simple jumper wire to the header and test again. That fixes almost all start button failures. Make sure the replacement is seated correctly and red-iron any loose connectors. Once the system consistently boots, close the case and perform a few power cycles to confirm stability. If the problem persists despite a new switch, swap in a known good power supply and retest. This final troubleshooting step rules out rare PSU or motherboard faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.